Hey everyone! If you're here, chances are you're dealing with a common but annoying issue, razor bumps. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to get rid of razor bumps and prevent them from coming back. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Prepping your skin for shaving. Now, this is one of the most overlooked steps when it comes to shaving, and skipping it can actually lead to razor bumps. Preparation is everything. Here's what you need to do: exfoliate. Before you even think about picking up a razor, you want to exfoliate the area you're shaving. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and helps prevent the hair from getting trapped under the skin. You can use a gentle scrub, or even something as simple as a washcloth in circular motions. A study from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, 2018, found that regular exfoliation can reduce ingrown hairs by 30%, so don't skip this. Moisturize. After exfoliating, make sure your skin is well hydrated. Dry skin can lead to more irritation. Use a moisturizing lotion or oil to lock in moisture before shaving. Something with aloe vera or jojoba oil is ideal because these ingredients have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Choosing the right razor. You need the right tool for the job. Not all razors are created equal. Here are some tips. Use a sharp razor. Dull blades tug at the hair instead of cutting it cleanly, which increases the chances of irritation and razor bumps. So, make sure your razor is sharp. A lot of experts recommend changing the blade after about 5 to 7 shaves. According to Gillette, a company that's been in the razor game for over a century, switching blades frequently is key to preventing irritation. Single blade razors work best. Multi-blade razors might seem like the best choice, but they can actually cause more harm than good if you're prone to razor bumps. A single-blade razor creates less friction and is less likely to cut the hair too short, which reduces the chances of ingrown hairs. The Harvard Medical School mentions that single-blade razors can be a better option for sensitive skin, which helps prevent razor bumps. Shaving technique. Now that your skin is prepped and you've got the right razor, let's talk about how you should be shaving. Shave with the grain. Always shave in the direction of hair growth, not against it. Shaving against the grain might give you a closer shave, but it also increases the likelihood of the hair curling back into the skin, which causes razor bumps. Use short, gentle strokes. Don't press too hard, and avoid going over the same area multiple times. Too much pressure can lead to irritation, and repeatedly shaving the same spot can cause microabrasions, which make razor bumps more likely. Rinse the blade often. Keep rinsing your blade with warm water to avoid a buildup of hair and shaving cream, which can make shaving less effective and more irritating for the skin. Aftercare, the key to preventing razor bumps. Once you're done shaving, how you treat your skin afterward is just as important as how you shaved. Here's what you need to do post-shave. Rinse with cold water. Splash cold water on the area you shaved to close up the pores and reduce inflammation. Cold water also helps soothe any immediate irritation. Apply an aftershave or moisturizer. This step is non-negotiable. Use a product that's alcohol-free because alcohol can dry out and irritate your skin. Instead, go for something with ingredients like witch hazel or tea tree oil, both of which are known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In fact, the Mayo Clinic has pointed out that natural ingredients like these can significantly help reduce skin inflammation. Don't forget sunscreen. If the shaved area is exposed to the sun, be sure to use sunscreen. UV rays can make irritation worse and even darken the razor bumps, especially for people with darker skin tones. According to the Skin Cancer Foundation, using sunscreen is crucial in preventing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Ongoing care. If you're still prone to razor bumps even after following these steps, here's what you can do. Use a warm compress. Applying a warm, damp towel to the area can help soothe the skin and bring the ingrown hairs closer to the surface. Apply a bump-fighting cream. Products with salicylic acid or glycolic acid can help exfoliate the skin and reduce inflammation. A 2017 study from the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that salicylic acid is especially effective in treating mild cases of razor bumps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to deal with razor bumps. It's all about prepping your skin, using the right razor, and taking good care of your skin afterward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more great tips like these. Got your own tips for getting rid of razor bumps? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.